Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Here we are discussing our 5th chapter, that is Natural Resources of India. In our previous class we have discussed about water, rivers, canals, dams, many more things. Do you remember? Very good. Hope all of you have read the lesson. Then tell me children, what are the 3 largest rivers of India? Yes, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari. Children, today we are going to discuss about the next important natural resource, that is soil. Soil is the loose uppermost layer of earth's surface. As you all know, soil is very important to grow plants, trees, then crops, etc. And in our previous classes we discussed about how soil is formed. Soil is formed because of different forces of nature like wind, rain. As a result of all these things, the rocks break down into soil or sand. Children, there are different varieties of soil in India. Let's discuss more about soil. Okay. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is formed by the deposition of silt brought down by the rivers. Alluvial soil is especially suited for growing crops like rice, wheat and pulses. It is found in the northern plains and the coastal plains. Black soil. Black soil is formed by the breakdown of lava. Lava is the molten material that comes out from inside the earth when volcanoes erupt. Black soil is good for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. It is found in the central and northwestern parts of the Deccan Plateau. Red soil. Red soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks rich in iron. Crops such as jowar, bajra and groundnuts grow well in this soil. Red soil covers large parts of the peninsular plateau. Tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber grow well in laterite soil, found mainly in the western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. Desert soil is found mainly in Rajasthan. This soil is sandy and is not good for cultivation. But maize, pulses and millets like jowar and bajra can be grown with the help of irrigation and by adding fertilizers to the soil. Mountain soil. Mountain soil is found on the slopes of the mountains and hills of North India. It is rich in humus and good for growing fruits and vegetables. Fruits like peach, apple, orange, pear and plum grow well in this soil. Today we have discussed about soil. Hope all of you have understood the concept. Don't forget to read the lesson and also revise the EVS topics. Okay children? We'll meet in the next session with another natural resource. Until then, take care and goodbye.